Let's talk about text. Okay, so we all know there are two ways of which you can text or fit in text into your work. So we have this plan in front of us. I'm just going to go to the floor plan. This is the floor plan here, already dimensions and everything, but I'm gonna come up here so we can see this better. So I can either select this on the quick access toolbar up here, but I want to come here to annotate, and I use this text style. So I'm just gonna come here, draw out a box, and there we go. So I'll just say type something here like this is the list, and now when I press enter it goes down, but now I can make this to be bullets like this. So I can just say alright, this is list 1. I press that, goes down. I say list 2, list 3, and just like that I can continue doing that. But one thing you'll notice here is that what the first thing you're going to notice is this is too long. Okay, first of all, now this is all in lowercase. If I wanted it to be uppercase, what do? Do I have to delete everything? No. If I was to select all this and I just click here, you see it transforms everything to uppercase. Now the second thing is this tab for these bullets is so long. I would like it to be a little bit closer, so I can just press escape and then I select it. I'm not selecting the text, remember, I select but the text box itself, and I come to edit type, and I want to come here to where it says tab size. Now it's set to 12.5 millimeters. I'm just going to set that to say maybe 6 mm, something half of that, and as you can see, as I click on apply, it has actually moved a bit to the side, and I think that is actually that is better. Okay, so alternatively, or other things we can do there now is we can bold the text. Of course, we can make it to be italics, we can underline it, you know, stuff like that. I'm just gonna undo all that, as well as we can have lowercase and uppercase now. Okay, now what if I wanted to write something like, say, maybe 50 degrees? So if I say 50 degrees, how do I do that? Well, it's very easy. If I was to right click here, I come to symbols. Now you see you have everything here. You have all kinds of symbols here. You got a degree, diameter, you got everything. So 100 degree, right? So I just select that, and there we go. We got 50 degrees. Okay, you can as well select all of this, and we change this, change the bullet type to be something else. You know, we can make it to be numbers, we can make it to be alphabetical, you know, and stuff. And again, we can actually even make this to increase the value. So you can see now it is from B, C, D, E, F, like that, and then from C, from D, and of course we can drop it back to go back, and you can see it has started back at E. So there's just a lot that we can do here, as well as we can reset this back to none to make this to not have any bullet, you know, and stuff, if that is actually what we want. Of course, we can also set this to be subscript, and can also make this to go up just like that. Okay, so those are some of the little things that you can actually do with the text editor now, which I think it is actually very good, and I just thought it is important that you know that. Okay, that was it for this tutorial. I hope you have actually learned something. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get the full advanced building information modeling course. See you in the next tutorial.